What it do? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Desiree, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see by the title, today I'm showing you guys how I edit my videos. This really shouldn't take long. Hopefully it doesn't. But look at this beautiful, 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 beautiful lock screen, home screen, as believe, work, receive. Yeah, go ahead and screenshot that and say that in your brain. But let's go ahead and get into this video. I edit with Imovie off an old phone. Okay, this is the video that I'm editing, so I'm gonna delete this and we're gonna start over. So first I press this. Y'all stay tuned for these videos right here because these are funny. But first I'm gonna add a new project and I'm gonna press movie, and I like to add my intro in, and then oopsie, so I add my intro and then I add the video that I'm going to edit. I go all the way to the beginning, and I think my intro is long. Let me show you guys. So this is the original intro that I speed up. Like, that's long. Like right now I will click off the video, so I speed it up by clicking this little timer and going all the way up in 2 times, and then it just makes it a little quicker. Hey, follow all my social medias. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always watch my videos to the end. So how I like to edit is first I add my social medias to the bottom of my screen, which is just a green screen I created. And if you guys want to know how I did that, go ahead and put it in the comments or DM me, because I do read my DMs. But first I want to add my green screen. And I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. So it's in my favorites. So I click the video, which is a minute, and I press green/blue screen, and it goes to wherever the line is, which is this little white line, and that's where it's gonna start. And it's only a minute, so after a minute, if I want to add it again, I add it again, but I don't like it all the way through my videos. So I just play the video, watch it, and add things in if I wanted them in, and take things out that I do not like or I think is really unnecessary. So we're just going to watch the video and do as I said, add things in and take things out. Simple edits are always the best to me because my top viewed videos on my channel are little to no editing. Basically, I literally did nothing. It probably took me 2 or 3 minutes to edit, and I uploaded, and they did the best on my channel. I'm a Pisces. My birthday is February 28th. So right here, I will probably split by pressing the scissors, press split, and then split again around right here. And I'm going to put right in the middle of the video, press the line, press this T, which is basically text, add in the lower corner, basically saying, no, yeah, I think I'm going to do center. Add in the center, basically my first tip, which is list of videos. List of videos, which, yeah, if you haven't seen this video, go ahead and watch it. Okay, skip up because I know what I said right there. Oh, I should, since I said in the video that I might add in a screenshot of a list of videos that I have. I'm going to go ahead and do that just because I want to show you guys how I edit, and if I was going to add anything in, I'm going to show you guys that too. So here's my list of videos. And if you guys didn't know, I'm doing a 90 days to success, which is basically where I'm posting a video every day for 90 days to see how far my YouTube channel would get with me being consistent. So I'm going to screenshot right here. Okay. And now I'm going to go back to iMovie. I'm going to just split right here just because I want to know where I was when I come back, because I now have to go and create a movie. So when you have a picture of something, if you just put it on top of a video, it's going to like move, and I don't want it to move. So you create a movie, you see how it's moving? I don't want it to do that. So what I'm going to do is click it, press Ken Burns enabled, and then zoom out to where I want. So I'm gonna just do like right here. No, I really don't want to do this. So I'm gonna do like these videos. Ken's Burns enabled, and then now it's not going to move, but it's a video. So I'm only gonna do like 5 seconds because I don't like them too long. So 5 seconds. Press done. Press save video. I'm gonna do 720 just because it's only 5 seconds. And I'm gonna go back to my movie, press edit, and I'm gonna add in the list right on my screen. So I'm gonna press the white line, press the plus, press video, press recently added, press the video, press the 3 dots, press picture in picture. And this is also how you can record a reaction video if that's what you want to do. Now I'm just going to make this the same size as this little cutout that I made. So I'm just going to line it up and make it a little shorter. And there. Now I can go back and play. And it's going to pop up in front of my face. So I'm going to press the video, make it highlighted yellow. Press this compass looking thing at the top. And this now can move. So I'm going to put it like right here at the bottom of the screen so that it's not covering my face. Okay, so since I set it a little later than where I placed it, I'm just going to move my screenshot down a little bit. I'm going to split right here, and I'm going to move the screenshot down. And the splits really don't do anything unless you press it and add a little feature right here, which will basically just change how the transition is. Now, watch this. Did you see it? It was kind of a little off. So I normally just press none. I've seen people do fade. And yeah, so you can notice that. So I just do none. So it goes right to the next one, normal. This is my second tip. So I'm just going to press split again. And I'm going to split again. And this is the little section that I'm going to add another text like I just showed you. And I think right here I'm going to add in my green screen again for my social medias. And if you guys aren't following my social medias, go ahead and follow those. I do read my DMs for any tips or any questions or anything. And it's just going to add it in for another minute. And you have to go back because it always skips it to where the green screen ended. So I'm just going to skip up because I'm just talking and I don't want to, and it's not worth it. See, like, this is a part I would probably take out, but it's raw and unedited and it's original. People really get lost when they record or edit. So I'm just leave it there, but you guys get it. So I feel like this is where I added another tip. You guys, and oh, what I forgot to do is when I do sit down talk videos, I like to have a little background music in the back because it kind of gets a little boring or bland or whatever you want to call it. Okay, you guys, so like I said, I'm going to show you guys how I add in my little background music for my talk videos so they won't be so awkward or anything. So I go first, I press the plus sign at the very beginning of my video, then I press audio, then I press my music, then I press songs. And like I said, don't use copyrighted music, you guys. As you can see at the top, it says free the baby type beat, and I use that sometimes, but today I'm going to use Lakely Inspired Chill Day, and he has some great background music for your videos. Go check him out on YouTube. So I press the plus sign and it adds the music all the way through the entire video, from the end all the way to the beginning. So I don't want the music to play. First of all, I don't want it so loud, so I click the video, click the music at the bottom. Then I press the little speaker at the bottom and I turn it down to about 50. And then I don't want it to play while my intro is playing, so I split. And then I go to the end of the intro and I split again. And then I click it and I turn this one all the way down. And I do the same thing for my outro because those have their own music and I don't want those to mix. So split, splits, and then I turn it all the way down, and it's darker because there's no music playing right there. Just at the beginning, it's darker because there's no music playing right here. And also I want to show you guys how I add in those subscribe buttons that you guys see sometimes, like this one right here. So what I do is I find a section where I want to add in the subscribe button and I press the plus. Oh, first I click the video, I press the plus, then I go to videos. It's in my favorites. As you can see, it's the second one. It's 7 seconds. I press it, then I press the 3 buttons, and then I press green/blue screen. and then it goes on top of my video. And sometimes I just cut it short so it's quick. I don't want the full second sometimes, so I just cut it just a little bit short by dragging the yellow pieces closer together, and now it's quicker just like that. But thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And if they can do it, we can do it. If I can do it, you could do it. Get up and grind. Let's go.